Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how to change the CapCut template sound to our own voices. So here I've already on the template tab on the CapCut, and then I'm going to just use one of these templates. So I'm going to show you how you can change the sound to your own voices. So let's say I want to use this one. So just click on the use template and then select the video. So basically there are two ways that you can do to change the sound to your own voice. First, you can change it directly from the template here. You can just click on sound, click on edit, this pencil icons right here, and there will be an option to change to another one. So just click on that option. Then here you need to go to your file. So here, if you want to use these steps or this way, you need to pre-record it your own voice, maybe in your recorder on your phone. Then after that you can just click on this folder, then click on from device, and then find the audio file of your voice, and then just click on a plus icon in here. Then the sound will be changed to your own voices. So that's the first way. And then the second way is that you can just first use the current sound of the template, and then export the video, the templates here. And after that you need to open the template here that you use in a new project. Then you can add your own sound. So I'm going to just show you after it finished. Okay, so it's done exporting. You can just click on done, and then just start a new project and open the video that you saved before, the one with the template. And after that, mute this the sound of the video. Then you can just go to audio, click on record, and just like that you can just click on the microphone icon and start recording your own voice. So that's how you can change the CapCut template sound into your own voices. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.